Here we are.
Here we are. Gonna cut this mother up.
This is Ken Boland, is a good friend of mine who can build and fix anything. So we got the complex couple van here, and we're gonna cut a hole in the roof, and Ken's gonna install the fan.
The new fan.
This is it right here.
Lots of pieces and parts. Thermostatically controlled, reversible, 10-speed, multi-port. And he's choking to death.
It's all right.
I'm choking on the job already. He's choking, look out.
Well, all right. What do you think, Ken?
Beautiful thing. Ready?
That's really gonna
Okay, now I'm gonna put a screw in the center. Why?
be. So you
Why am I gonna put a screw in the center?
can catch it.
That's right.
Alrighty. Ken just
According to the warranty,
marked
now
dead
you
center.
want
Yeah. So I just put a hole in the roof.
It's running. Go ahead. This is Keith doing the job. Look at him. Look at that. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
You're good. All right, now for the final hack.
Okay, we get the hole in the van. It's all filed and clean, the edges. Just gonna wipe down the top of it so that our adhesive and sealant will cure right. So, anyways, it's taken less than 45 minutes so far.
That's what I wanted to make sure of. No rust. No drips, no errors. I like it.
So we just put some paint along the edge to keep it from rusting inside and out. Applying it with a brush, not spraying so that we get overspray all over.
We're good. Accomplished.
All right, we're on.
We're on.
So it's on. Now we just got to do the electrical.
Yep.
We're done. Anything you want to add, Ken?
You need to pray more.
So it's on, baby. Yeah, there's our tools. We're going inside.
Fan is running. Vent is open. 100% air out. On remote control. Fan, you can bring it down 10% at a time. I'm not sure if I'm on the right command yet.
Yeah, I got to read the manual on that remote.
But it is running at 100% air out. And if you close the top is closing, it becomes a fan blowing into the space.
Okay, so it's just moving air now.
Just moving air inside.
Yeah.
Vent open. Exhaust.
Okay, cool.
Sweet.